What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Almighty CP back with a whole new video, and today we'll be cooking buffalo wings, you dig? So I need you to go like this, and if you're new to the channel, go subscribe to it because it's a bunch of fun stuff happening. So yeah, it's already down, and turn on notifications. And my hair look a little bit messy, but yeah. So live life to the fullest, not the fullest. You already know. But yeah, let's get into this video. Yeah, so I'm back ready to make these chicken wings for y'all. You know, I'm gonna call them the DMV because some of this stuff you can't find in other states. So I'm gonna call it the DMV chicken buffalo spicy wings. So I'm gonna be using this as my main stuff, my main sauce. This is what I'm gonna be mixing up. I'm showing y'all what I'm mixing it up with. I'm gonna be mixing it with this too. That's for the spice, the Old Bay hot sauce. This stuff is delicious. I'll be mixing it with mumbo sauce, Capital City. It ain't, man. See, I'm gonna tell y'all something right quick. I ain't sponsored by them, but China Cafe on Division Avenue has the best mumbo sauce. Anybody will tell you in DC. China Cafe. But this is just some stuff you buy at the store. So yeah, and for what I'm going to bake the chicken with is this right here, some olive. Let me put that. This, some seasoned salt. Yeah, to give it the grill type taste. You know. This is going to be on the chicken, plus it's going to be in here. So I'll be right back. Had to grab my chicken right quick. So these are some wings I got from the store. So you already know you can't be disgusting with it. So I'm gonna grab some of this right here. Technical difficulty. Okay. So you gotta always clean your chicken off to get all the bacteria, and definitely because of the food shortage and stuff like that, and about to be a food shortage, let me say like that, because people eating like, so they always had in mind, when stuff in high demand, that means you gotta get cut different. So you, period though, even if it wasn't, you know. So I'm gonna rinse these off right quick. And yeah, I'm sorry you guys, I accidentally put it on slow-mo, so this is what I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I basically cleaned off my chicken and put some of my seasonings on. So let y'all see right quick. So yeah, maybe next time it won't be like that. But I did not mean to do that. But basically I rinsed them off, I put this in it, as I already showed you, my seasonings. I put some of this on it. Some of this, you know. You gotta give your meat the flavor in the meat. You know, you don't want your meat to be non-flavorful. See, some people fry without flour. See, I'm going to bake mine. So, yeah. I'm going to show you what pans I'm going to be using. First of all, you must always turn your oven on. And I'm going to set it for 400. And it's starting. It should be starting. Yeah, it started. Okay. So, I'm going to be using this pan right here. This is a Captain Price commercial break. So this week I'll be uploading twice. So is like I say in my bio, it's either Monday or Tuesday or meaning Monday and Tuesday. So every time I pass somebody that I know and subscribers, I'm collabing with them. Reason being is because I feel like I accomplished a goal to me. And I think I said that in my update video. So I have a bunch of people that wants to collab with me. But the thing about it is, I'm not going to collab with them because, first of all, I don't have that many subscribers. And you all need to tell people about me because I'm about to pull out pranks soon. So, yeah, once I get to 100, I say 50, I pull out prank. So, let's get back to this video. So, I'm straightening up too. Then I'm about to make my sauce. So, I'm going to grab a little bowl to make my sauce with. As I showed you what I'm going to use to make my sauce. This is a bunch of chicken. We already used this. We already used this. We don't need this. So we're going to put it back. So that's not the point. Okay, so I got to open this. This is the main thing right here you want to be using. As I told you, I'm gonna use this first. I'm gonna use this first. I'm gonna show you all how I'm about to do it. That's how you do it right there. Put half right quick, right? Then you use your hot sauce. It has Old Bay seasoning in it. Only DMV people mostly know about that. Gotta put a lot because it's gonna be spicy. Some mumbo sauce, cause I wanted to get a little sweetness to it too. Not just spicy, but a little tang of sweetness. I just like that. It just, I don't know, it makes my taste buds taste weird. Not weird, but like different. I like trying different foods. But yeah, this is not my first time actually doing this. Last time I did it fried. But I didn't have a YouTube channel then. Didn't have you all supporting me. So I'm gonna be mixing this up. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to wait for I can flip the chicken over for it won't get stuck to the pan. Gotta put some more of this because it's gonna be a lot of chicken. A lot of chicken. So you don't want your sauce to be cold because who wants cold chicken? So I'm gonna stir this up because I put the rest of the bottle in here. Because I always take a whole bottle to cook as much chicken I'm cooking. So I think I'm gonna add a different type of hot sauce. Reason being is because this has a certain flavor to it. It has Old Bay seasoning in it. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna walk off on you all for a second. Boom, crystals. Yeah, no racist though, but I know black families got this in the house. I don't care what y'all talking about. Every black family got one, and if they don't, they got a different taste buds for a different type of hot sauce. Cause we all got hot sauce in the house. Yeah, that's gonna give it the flavor that I wanted to get. I gotta put the pepper in it. You gotta stir it up, because you don't want to see the mixture in it. You don't want to see it. So, yeah. So I'm gonna catch you all when I'm turning over the chicken over. I already flipped the other pan. So, yeah. They both gonna get done there at the same time though. So this ain't no reality cooking show. I'll tell you that now. Just straight out the backyard. It's like no. But all right, flip that one over. Flip this one over. Flip this one over. Gotta make sure they don't stick to the pan. Some of them did. And flip that one over. So, yep. And we're gonna put them back in the oven for another 35. I said 35. I did not mean to say 35, y'all. I meant to say about another 20 minutes. It should be done. But I'm back, y'all. I'm about to take the chicken out the oven. And we're going to mix it. I have my bowl right here. Got my top. Wherever the top's meaty. Bloop. Always rinse your stuff off. So, let's see how it came out. I'm looking inside again. Smell good. Smell good. Look good. Show y'all how one back look. So, I just took them out. About to put the sauce in them. And yeah. So let me go ahead and get these out the pan. So, now I must pour my delicious sauce. So I'm gonna pour a little bit in first. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit of more hot sauce in. So I didn't pour all my sauce in there. I want to make sure it gets everywhere. So gotta make sure you snap it in. Make sure you snap it in. So. Lovely. Woo! I'm telling you all. And I am done. Janet. Well, I am done with the chicken. Some sauce got on me. I am done with the chicken. So my next thing is to taste try it. So yeah, hold on. Mm. So the chicken wings was a success. They wasn't as good as my homeboy Ray would do it, but they was a success. They don't taste like Murray wings either, but they actually taste pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, that's the end of this video. You all go like this video and subscribe, like I said. Excuse me. And y'all have a beautiful day.